Okay, now, the project is this, correct? The project is this. You want to redo the Unit 1 test, okay? Correct?
Yes.
Now, what do you want to do? You want to solve each problem. Right? That's what you want to do, right? Now, you want to state the reasons, right? The reasons for each step. Right, I want to write this down. Each step in the what? In the solution. Correct? Yes? Now, the test is criterion A and criterion C, right? You have the criterion listed in ManageBack that you can download, correct? Now, for instance, I want to do number 1. Number 1 says to write in index form. A is going to be 6 times 6 times 6, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand that these are factors? Yes or no? Do you understand that? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, now. The idea for this was based on doing prime factorization for a number and a shorthand form of writing all the factors. For instance, let me give you another example, okay? If I have 60, how would I break that down into prime factors? What would you start off with?
10.
You want to start off with 10? Is 10 a prime factor?
Oh,
No. Well, you need a prime. You want to start with a prime factor, right? Yes. 2? Yeah. Well, yes.
3.
Well, she said 2. You could do 3. Not a problem. But I want to start with 2 because I want to make a point. And the point is, if it's an even number, 2 is always easy. Everybody can have something, even regardless of your math skill level. Would you agree that everybody can have a number? What's half of 100? Veronica. What's 1/2 of 100?
50.
There you go. So everybody can have a number, right? What's half of 10? 5. What's half of 60?
30.
30. So regardless, you can always have an even number, correct? Don't you think? Okay. So yes, you can start off with 3. That's not a problem. Not a problem. None. What's half of 30? 30 is an even number. 15. Now, is 15 an even number?
No.
No. Let's try the next one up, which is what?
3.
Which is 3. And it's going to be what?
5.
5. Right?
Yes.
Now what?
5.
You're going to do 5, right?
And then 1.
5 is 1, right? So now you have 2, 2. Let's make the time sign, because this is using time sign. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Right?
Yes.
What's the shorthand way of writing that?
2.
No, we said 2, 2. How is that a shorthand? You're just rewriting it the way it is. Are these factors? What are they called? What are these individual numbers called? We just said it over here, guys. We just said it. They're called what? That's it. They're called factors, yeah. And when you combine all these factors, what's the name of the answer? Starts with a P. The what? Product. Is that what you said? Product. Right? Okay. Somebody said it right here. Veronica, you get it? It's a product. If I add numbers, what's the answer called? A sum. There you go. Excellent. All right. Now, what's a shorthand way of writing these? Who said that? Very good. 2 squared, 3, 5. Right? So this is the index form because you're combining these and using exponential symbolism, right? Okay? So how would you rewrite this in the index form? 6 cubed. Right? So what are you doing? What are you doing? You are use exponential. Can I erase this? Can I erase this?
Yes.
So you're going to say use exponential notation to combine the factors in a simpler form. 6 cubed. You get it? That's number 1. All that. You see that? Isn't that easy?
Yeah.
Now, you could say, when you're doing the next one, you could say B use the above to solve, what is it? 11 times 11 times 11 times 11. 11 to the 4th. You don't have to explain this again. You explained it, right? Easy. Easy?
Yes.
What have you done? You are explaining everything you're doing. It takes a long time. That's why I gave you a week. Now you only have half a week because you haven't started. Do you understand that? Are you sure? Do you get a little better what you're supposed to do? Excellent. Got it? Okay.